Hi there, hope you're well. We've had a great month, hope you have too. Really enjoyed planting lots of trees on National Tree Day, and a big thanks to Mike who came along and joined us with the morning. We started planning a little shindig for October 27. We couldn't do one last year because of COVID, but we're back, and we're organising a short economic update from one of our investment partners, and we'll also have a special guest speaker. I think you really enjoy that. You'll soon receive some save the dates and invitations, and for anyone who can't physically attend the event, we'll look to stream that online too. We've got a little holiday coming up. We're going to be up in sunny Queensland for the next few weeks. Really looking forward to that. If you need something while we're away, the office will still be manned, so call through. If Will or the team can't help out, we're still contactable, so we'll make sure you get the help that you need. Well, it's tax time. It comes around quickly every year. Today I've got 6 tips on how you can get the most back from your refund and still stay on the right side of the tax office. Now, lots of us are working from home these days on a part-time or a full-time basis. If this applies to you, then potentially you're going to be able to claim some of your home running expenses as a tax deduction. So that's exciting. Some of those deductions could include the work-related portion of heating, cooling, lighting of your home office room, any decline in value of home office furniture and fittings, or equipment, computers, things like that. You can also claim computer consumables, stationery, telephone, and internet costs. So lots of deductions potentially there. If you're studying to improve your current career, good news, there's potentially some deductions there too. So obviously you can be looking at books, along with course fees, accommodation and meals if you're studying away from home. You can also declare the costs of computer consumables again and internet, as well as the depreciation on the computer that you're using for study. Make sure to claim those deductions, the study has got to be in relation to your current employment income. So you can't be a financial planner going off and doing a massage course. That's probably not going to cut the mustard. The course does also need to be likely to result in you increasing your employment income. Number 3, you can claim a deduction for expenses that have been incurred in earning your income. So as a general rule, you can claim a deduction for anything there, but some of the common deductions are transport from work site to work site, or when visiting clients or suppliers and you're leaving from the office or your work site. Travel, meals and accommodation up to the actual amount that you spent, but keep in mind if you're getting any allowances from your employer, they are taxable. And any tools that you're using for work purposes as well, but keep in mind if you're using those at home, then you need to apportion the work use when you're claiming that deduction. Make sure, number 4, make sure you've got proof of purchase for everything. So a little bit tricky sometimes to keep all those different receipts. You can claim up to $300 of work-related expenses and not provide any receipts, but good idea to keep them if you can. If you go over that $300 mark, you're definitely going to need them. The tax office will accept digital copies of those receipts, so you can take a picture of them on your phone. There's also some really good apps that you can use to make it easy to keep track of those these days. Number 5, don't rely on the pre-filled data from the ATO. It can look really easy. You go in there, everything looks like it's there. You want to make sure you kept your own records so you can be checking that data is correct. Often there's also going to be a delay, so if you want to do your return early and get that tax deduction soon, often the data from your bank and other financial institutions might not be there until August or September. If there are any errors in that pre-filled data, the tax office says it's up to you to fix it up, so make sure you're checking that. Number 6, get some help. Tax is complicated. If you want to relax, put your feet up, let somebody else do all the hard work, then a good accountant can certainly help there. Good news is their costs are tax deductible as well, so that's great. If you don't know a good accountant, we work with some great ones, so if you need a hand there, just let us know and we can put you in contact with a good accountant. Hope you enjoyed the newsletter. Stay safe and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.